friends, I'm Allison Pryor, and today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful painting with a sky background and all these pretty little flowers. Nice, bright, cheerful painting that you will learn in easy steps, and you will experiment with your colors and with your different brushes. So this is a fun painting to do today. So let's get started. So all you need for this painting today is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and you will need some sap green, and you will need black and white, although I haven't used much black, but it's nice to have your colors on your palette just to have in case you need them, okay? And you need some brushes, and all you need is a bristle brush. It's a size 8 or 10. 8 or 10 will do. And you have a 1/2 inch, I think there's a 1/2 inch flat chiseled edge brush. And also a liner brush. You'll need a liner brush or a wigger, or a rigger brush. You see it? Okay. And then you need a Filbert brush for your flowers. And that's a size 0, so it's pretty small. And just a small flat brush, chiseled edge brush, so a couple of different sizes. So that's about it for now, and why don't we get started on this beautiful painting. So this time let's try something a little different. Let's try getting our small round brush out again, and we'll dip into some green, any color green. You can use the lighter green if you like, and a bit of yellow. Just touch into it. There's no need to mix the colors together. And then we will make a bud down here. Just tap at it. Just make a little bud. Good. That's all you need for now. It's a little bud. A little buddy. Just to get it started. There we go, a little bud. Now what you're going to do is, I'm going to take a small flat brush for those of you who don't have a filbert. So you only got a flat brush, you can use that too. You can use that for these. So this one, we're going to go with a bit of white and a little bit of red. It's fine, just to pink it up a little bit. There you are. And what you're going to do is turn your brush this way. Okay, not that way, but this way. And then you're going to touch, and you're going to pull. Good. And you're going to touch and pull, touch and pull. Pick up more of your color. Touch and pull. And we'll go over here. Do one on each end might make it easier for you. And then fill in the middle. Good. This will be a nice little flower. So you can go over those a couple of times to get what you're looking for. Yeah, there we go. So that's another flower. So let's put another one up here. And what we can do is make our center. This time I'm going to add a little bit of dark green to my yellow, because we can always lighten it up after. And we'll make our center right here. Nice little center, so we know where the flower is going to go. Good. And this time you can pick up some, let's see, probably the same color as yellow and a bit of red. I'm using a Filbert brush this time. You can use a flat. And we'll go on the left side, and we'll touch and pull in. Good. And we'll touch. Let's see, maybe we could make this a little easier. Take one out here, just for a guide. And and we'll pull in, and then we'll go in between that. There. And then we'll pull another one down here. Let's see, we get a straight line here for now. Touch and pull. Good. And then we'll probably take these two together and fill them in. Make one big flower here. And then we'll make one, let's say, up here. Let's see. Let's go around that flower and touch and pull in. Good. Make some adjustments. If you want to bring it up a little higher, just touch the top and pull in, touch and pull in, touch and pull in. Give it a more of a rounder look. Yep, there we go. And then we will pick up some red. We'll just use our Filbert brush for now. Any small brush. And pull it up. Pull it up. Good. And just reload your brush with some white. And just pull that in towards the flower. Pull. This flower here, I think I'm going to change it up a little bit there. Okay. Now, I'll take some of this red here and pull it in. Oops, too much water on my brush. See what happens? Make sure that don't happen to you. Let's just take this red here and pull it into the white. What I'm trying to do is get this one here to look a little more rounded. Alright. I just like making adjustments. Alright. Take some more white. Add that to the edge here. Bring it around. Probably when that dries a bit, I might bring that white around the side here. Make it look like it's going around the flower bud, going around the bud. Everything is wet now, so it may not stick. That's it. Just make some adjustments, and then we'll take pure white. Pure white. Clean your brush and get pure white. And the same thing again, just do the tops. Some paintings are a little easier to teach, and others a little bit more complicated. So if this is too hard for you, then let me know and I'll try and do an easier version. It's just that an easier version you won't get as much detail. Look what I did. I made a big old look what I did. Pick up a little bit of red there. Pull it out. There we go. A little bit better. Yeah, so you can see that flower there needs to be adjusted. So how can we adjust it? Why don't we just take it and widen it out a little bit here. Make it more round. That's better. See, you can do anything. Alright, that don't look too bad. Now that flower here needs to be brightened up. I'm going to take pure white on my filbert. And I add some white. I'll use my finger to adjust, to steady my hand. And I'm just going to take the tops of those and pull in with some white. White on top. Pure white. That way you can shape it up a little bit too. You get a little texture. I'll just use my filbert. Flat brush is good too. Lots of white. See, I'm even getting little bumps. You see that? These little bumps, I'm going to leave those there. They're almost jumping out from the canvas. It's because I put a lot of paint on my brush. There we go. Almost ruined that one. Clean off my brush and fix it up a little bit. Good. Just going to bring that down a little bit more. Now, I got a couple of nice flowers done. Now I'm going to try and brighten up these again up here. Let's just try a little bit on the tops. Just every now and then when your flower dries, just add a little bit of white to the very top. Because when it dries, then the white will stand out better. There we go. See how it sort of brings out the edges there? See? Pick up your white, reload all the time, just the very tips. That way you can shape it up a little bit better too. Just the tips. These are so cute. There we go. If you want to pull in a little bit between the shadows, if you have some shadows that you can pull in a little bit between, you can do that. You don't want to lose your shadows, all that hard work. But if you feel you need to do something, you know, you can always go and put your shadows back in. I wouldn't worry too much. Okay, pick up some, let's get a round brush again. Maybe like a small, little small flower here. Alright, just your little centerpiece first. Good, there's your center. And I want you to be able to see it there. Now I'm going to get your Filbert brush where you're flat. Filbert or flat. And it's pretty small, it's not a huge filbert. Maybe a size 2 or something like that, or 2. Like all the numbers are wiped off these, but I'm remembering from when they were on there. I think this one says 0. Can you see it? Oh. So let's go into our pure white again. Pure white, and we will, you don't have to use a chalk this time, you can just use a stroke, stroke, and a stroke. We'll leave the bottom one for now, and pick up your brush, and with your brush, let's try, yeah, let's do the horizontal way, touch and pull. Okay, that didn't happen very good. Let's try horizontal, but touch and pull. There we go. And this one's vertical because my brush made it too flat on top. So we go vertical with the filbert like this instead of like that, the flat way. Turn it up this way and you'll get a better end. Okay, it's better. Let's do the same thing here in between. Good. Just go in between what you already did. A little tiny one down here. Little tiny ones down here. Let's give it a different shape. Alright. And we'll go back over those again after. Just put a little bit more white on them. On them. I keep saying I should be saying them. There we go. I think sometimes you can get a little lazy when you're talking. You don't pronounce your words properly. Properly. I just want to get my flowers proper. Okay. So we'll leave that one for now till it dries a little bit.